Good, welcome back to this next video. I thought I'm going to make this tomorrow night, but let's quickly do this. I'd like to show you how I modified something in this journey where I'm sharing some of the stuff which I did for an education implementation. And please, guys, once again, just want to reiterate, I'm no ERPNext boffin. As I learn things, I just put it out there, and if somebody else can learn from this, well, that's great. That's how open source works, eh? The little bit that I learn, I pass on to somebody else, and somebody else learns more, and he shares that or she shares that, and we all learn the whole process. Right, what did I do? I just want to quickly show you this. In my course, if I add a new course, you'll see that mine says topic and topic detail. Yours will say topic and topic name. This is version 12, by the way, 12.28. And the criteria would be, yours would be assessment criteria, and wait, you won't have this. So what did I do? I modified the form. All right, so now if this form is called the course form. So if you go to customize form, you'll see, let's go to course, there we go. And here you can see, this is actually how they build up a form. You know, there's a section break, which is, this is a section, and that is a section. There's no column break here, but if there was a column break, this is what you achieve by putting in a column break, two fields next to each other. And so you build up this form. So what did I do? I modified this entry. And I modified this one. Same type of thing. You know, I'm just going to look at one, and it's roughly about the same. What I did there is to say that first table is of type course topic. So let's go and have a look at course topic. Cool. Now, if you go and look at your course topics, you'll only see two lines. You won't have this. So I simply added this. How do you add it? Well, if you had two items here, well, you can either just say add a row, or you can also, if you wanted to add it between those two, the first and second one, you'd click on there and say insert above. Or you can add it down below, and you just can click on this and hold your click in and drag it up. All right, there's a few ways of doing this. And then I simply added the field called the data. Data is where you can enter stuff, and I felt like calling it topic detail. All right. Now you didn't see topic name. Why is that? Because if we look at that field, you'll see that I hid it away. So that's what I did. And on this one, did I do? Yes. This columns field gives you control of your width, the column width. So play around with whatever value works for you. Smaller obviously being narrower. And you can adjust the column of that extra field that you pass in. The other one which I changed is roughly about the same thing, just adding a field and playing around with the widths. So that's how and of course then you say update, and then you've got a reload, right click, reload, where you can also go on top there and say reload. All right, otherwise you won't see your changes. So that's how I changed the form to add some more fields. And get used to that, because although the forms in ERPNext are very well defined, you sometimes find that I want another field there in my particular application, and that's how you can add that. Cool. I'll see you guys in the next video.